Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer money from PayPal to Binance. Now, what I want you to do is first use Paxful, because here you can actually go ahead and buy crypto using PayPal. Okay, so you choose your coin, you choose pay with PayPal right here, enter the amount you want to spend, and then you'll find offers in the peer-to-peer market, and you can buy the USD coin with PayPal in the peer-to-peer market with many different people. Now, if you come here to Binance itself, right, you just come here and then you trade, basically add the crypto you got from Paxful to your Binance wallet. You go ahead and use that on Paxful. And you get it directly, because if you come to trade here on Binance, or you try to buy crypto on Binance, they don't actually have options for PayPal. And even if you go to peer-to-peer trading right here to buy crypto, right, you will see that even if you search for PayPal as a payment method, it does not show up. That one is not supported on Binance. So you'll have to do this with Paxful. Use your Binance wallet and just buy that, okay? And then you basically use your PayPal balance to go ahead and pay for it. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.